Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to take partial screenshots on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So first, you want to just take a normal screenshots. There are three ways to do it. I'm going to only showcase one. If you are curious about how to actually take a screenshot using different methods, we have a video on that topic, so don't worry about that. But when you actually take simply normal screenshots, you can see this little icon here. And when you click it, you can actually select the size of your screenshot. So for me, I really like this red panda. So I'm going to select not right. I'm going to select this very cool red panda here. So now we simply click this icon and our screenshots is done. So if we now go to gallery, we can see that our screenshot is not our whole screen, but only the little panda here. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.